Bonjour mes étudiants, so welcome back to part 2 of this video. If you've still not seen part 1, go and check out that video in which I have solved a sample paper for class 10th board exams. So let's start the first question of this video, which says remplacer les mots surlignés par les pronoms possessives. So if we see the first part, you can see the nouns are underlined. We need to replace the nouns with pronom possessive. So this is also one of the pattern of question which you can get in your exam. Ma maison est plus nouvelle que sa maison. My house is more new than her house or his house. So it's the third form. So que, la, sienne. Because maison is feminine. So you need to write la sienne. Let's move to the next part. Peux-tu me passer ton stylo? Can you pass me your pen? J'ai perdu mon stylo. I lost mine. J'ai perdu le mien. Because stylo c'est masculin. Next part. Mon cousin est journaliste. My cousin is journalist. Que fait ton cousin? My cousin is journalist. What does your cousin do? So what does que fait le tien? Que fait le tien? What your cousin does? So I hope you understand this question. Let's move to the next question. Discours direct ou indirect, direct or indirect speech. First part, Marie déclare qu'elle a reçu une lettre de sa sœur. So she's declaring. So if she declares, how will you write it down? Marie déclare. You put a comma, you open the brackets. She has received a letter from her sister. So when she's declaring it herself, it will be excellent, très bien, I have received. J'ai reçu une lettre de ma sœur. And you close the brackets. So let's move to the second part. Le père demande à sa fille, avec qui sors-tu? Now the father is asking to her daughter, le père demande à sa fille. So avec qui, it's an interrogative question which needs to be written in the same way. Avec qui, if the father is asking directly, he will be asking with whom are you going out. When I have to report the same thing, it becomes with whom the father is asking to his daughter, with whom is she going out. Avec qui elle sort. So let's move to the next part. Ma tante me conseille ne conduis pas trop vite. My aunt is suggesting me. So we need to see the structure that is given. When you see the brackets are opening, there is no subject pronoun. That means it is an imperative case. And how do you do it? Ma tante me conseille the. If it's negative, you join the imperative with the and then ne pas will be together and conduire, c'est quel verbe? Conduire, très bien, de ne pas conduire trop vite. Don't drive too fast. I hope both the questions are clear. Pronom possessive and discours direct or indirect. While practicing, if you have any doubt, put it down in the comment section related to these two questions. And now let's move ahead to the culture section of the paper. First question in culture section that I've written is quelles sont les formalités pour avoir une carte de lecteur? So how you can answer this? Pour avoir une carte de lecteur. There are so many questions that you need to learn for the culture and civilization. You can learn it from together. But there are 2-3 that I've taken in this video. Pour avoir une carte de lecteur, it's necessary to have une pièce d'identité, that's your identity card. If you want to apply for library card, the first thing that you need is an identity card. The next thing is une autorisation des parents. Des parents, you need your parents' permission. And the last thing is une quittance d'électricité Electricité ou de loyer. You need to have the electricity bill or the rent receipt if you're living on rent. Let's move to the next question. Qui est Perrault? The questions on authors are also very common. You should know who has written which book. That is very common. So what we can write while describing Perrault. Perrault est un écrivain français du 17e. He's a writer of 17th century. And then you can talk about the story that he has written. Il a écrit Le Petit Chaperon Rouge. So the way I'm writing the answer on the board, similarly you need to write in your notebook for learning culture. The last question, comment peut-on conserver de l'eau? On peut arroser. On peut arroser le jardin le soir pour conserver de l'eau. We can sprinkle the garden in the evening instead of giving water with bucket and mug. You can just sprinkle the garden in the evening for conserving water. Et on doit fermer le robinet. We should close the tap quand on n'a pas besoin, when we don't need it. So, on va arroser le jardin le soir pour conserver de l'eau et on doit aussi fermer le robinet. We should close the tap when we don't need it. I hope this video is clear to everyone. Do write it down in the comment section if you have any doubt, and I will see you in the next video for